Here are the Kakio anti-snoring chin straps. Let's open up the box and see what we have here. I'm going to take out the chin strap and show you how these are ventilated. Yes? So the pores help keep your skin dry and not irritated. Now, as you can see, it is a flexible material to increase comfort. Now, here, there is a very, very durable and high quality Velcro material, which is better than the normal material, and I'll show you here. If you look at the regular Velcro materials, yeah, they're very, very different, as you can see. And this is very high quality, which ensures the hold throughout the night. Now, I'm going to show you what I mean. Now, as you can see, it's very difficult to pull apart, which means that it's going to stay on throughout the night. These chin straps are very, very effective because they will, well, first of all, they will stop the snoring. But there are additional functions to this. I would say, basically, other than to stop the snoring, they can eliminate the grinding of your teeth. And also they open up your airways so that you can breathe better. And the result is that you don't have a dry mouth when you're sleeping at night. So I'm going to show you how easy it is for this product to go on. First, you put it on your chin. You wrap it around your head, and then you take these beautiful straps here and you put them on top of your head. Now, I'm ready to go to sleep and stop that nightly noise. And believe me, your wife or your girlfriend will love you even more for it.